Welcome. In front of me is a Poco M6 Pro, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be capturing just a home screen as an example for this, so my home screen is already open. Just make sure that whatever you want to capture is visible on your screen. Once it is, hold your power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have this flash along with the pop-up with scroll and send options. Though scroll is grayed out because there's nothing really to scroll on. Even though if you scroll up on, you get the up tray, it doesn't really count. But as an example, settings would, because it's a normal page where you can scroll down on. Now, once you've captured your screenshot, you can find it in your Photos application. And it will be visible under the Photos as the newest one, and also under Library and the Camera specifically. This device doesn't give you a album called Screenshots, unfortunately, so if you're trying to find the screenshot later on down the line, you will need to sift through basically photos, videos, screenshots, screen recordings, possibly even maybe downloaded images. So just keep that in mind, that it might not be as easy as, for instance, clicking right now and just pressing on the newest image. But in any case, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.